Lloyds Bank has built a reputation for delivering reliable and efficient customer service, and many customers have shared memorable experiences that highlight just how far the bank goes to assist its clients. One of the most common praises revolves around the responsiveness of their support team. Whether reaching out via phone, online chat, or visiting a branch, customers frequently report quick resolutions to their issues, ranging from account queries to loan applications. Many describe situations where a simple call led to immediate action, saving them both time and stress. Another area where Lloyds Bank excels is in personalized assistance. Customers often mention staff members who take the time to understand their unique financial situations. One notable story involves a customer struggling with an unexpected overdraft, where a representative not only clarified the charges but also suggested a repayment plan that prevented additional fees. Experiences like these emphasize the bank's commitment to practical solutions rather than generic responses. Digital banking support is also highly regarded. Lloyds Bank's online platform and mobile app provide intuitive navigation, making it easy for customers to track transactions, pay bills, and manage accounts. Users often share instances where they faced technical issues with their online banking, and the support team guided them step by step until the problem was fully resolved, showcasing patience and expertise. Several customers highlight the proactive communication they receive. Notifications about potential fraud, account anomalies, or personalized offers demonstrate Lloyds Bank's focus on both security and convenience. The combination of knowledgeable staff, efficient problem solving, and proactive support contributes to overall satisfaction. Ultimately, the best Lloyds Bank customer service experiences are characterized by a blend of professionalism, empathy, and efficiency. Customers feel valued and supported, whether addressing routine banking matters or navigating more complex financial challenges. This consistent approach strengthens trust and loyalty, making Lloyds Bank a standout in customer service within the financial sector.